So today's video, we're gonna be judging. What is judging? We're going to be judging Prom 2018. I've never done one of these kind of videos before just because I don't want to come across as like judgy and malicious, but today I'm gonna come across a little bit as judgy, not malicious. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, my prom dress and my prom look was very, very sick. I wish I could reverse time and somehow not be broke and be able to get a better dress. My funds were very, very limited at the time. Like I said, I was broke. So I could not get a good dress. I had to work with what I had. I had to do my hair at home. I had to do my trash makeup. My prom experience wasn't the best, to be honest. So I'm not out here like, oh my gosh, I had the bombest dress. My look was poppin'. No, my look was trash. Let's go ahead and judge other people. As we can see, for the first submission is from 2081 Cool Girl. And she has on a royal blue gown, and I'm gonna be honest with you, this is beautiful. I could tell she's a very like small framed petite girl, and I just feel like this just like suits her so well. Like, I don't know why, but I could see like Ariana Grande wearing this kind of dress to prom for some reason. Like, very classy, very simple. I love it. And I also have an addiction to the color royal blue. I always want to dye my hair royal blue all the time, but I don't have hair to dye royal blue right now. But I am obsessed with this. I think this is so beautiful. It's very simple, very classy. Gives me a good vibe. Very simple with the accessories as well. I don't see any bracelets. I don't see any rings. All I see is a simple star necklace, and I think you look beautiful, girly. Moving on to the next, we have Victoria Chochi. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. So sister is giving us a lady in a red gown. Lace is not my favorite, so I think it's a gorgeous gown. I think it's beautiful, but lace is not my favorite, so I probably wouldn't have chosen this dress. Sis, did you get annoyed with this? Honestly, I would have been so pissed off if people kept stepping on my train. Like, did you have to go through that? I'm sorry if you did. I do like the dress. I think it's good for you. I feel like people are gonna think I'm trying to be like rude or anything, but like, it's just my opinion. I wouldn't wear it. Next, we have Hales, and she is giving us glitter. I think she also gave us a video. I was scrolling through it. Yep, she did. Sister gave us a whole ass video. First of all, you are giving me slits. You are giving me cuts. I love it. I love it. Like, I just love a dark gown, and it's rare that you see girls go in a like straight up black gown because most people want to do, you know, like bright pink, bright yellow, bright blue. But girl, and then she gives us a little at the end of the video. Oh. Yes, I honestly would wear this just because, like I said, it is giving me lady in black, and I love it. Yes, girl! Yes! Amina is sending us that she wore a suit to prom last year. Sis, this ain't 2017. First of all, that is fucking sick. I love it. That looks so cool. I like that you are giving me like, you know, floral with the shirt underneath instead of a basic button up. I love it. You looked amazing. Next, we have Courtney here, and Courtney is giving us a very simple, I can't tell if this is emerald green or just a simple green, but you're giving me a simple gown. I like the accessory that you put in your hair, the earring, cute, very simple girl. On to the next, we have Hope right here, and I've seen this dress before actually. This is a cute dress. I like the little middle part because it gives you some shape to the body, which I mean, you shouldn't really be worrying about shape to your body at like 16 or 17, but I think this is cute. I love a dark gown. You're giving me mermaid vibes. Sis, is this you though? No, this is not. I don't know if this is sis in the picture, but if it is, holy fucking shit. Oh my gosh. Money! Sis is showing us I have money. I ain't worried about you broke hoes. I'm showing out for prom in front of the pink whip. Oh my gosh. I feel like if I saw her walk past me, like going in, like after handing in like your ticket, I would be so insecure. I would just be like, ugh. My gown is trash. This is so beautiful. I love it. Like, disco queen. I love it. It looks so cute. Oh, I think she was just sending like random photos of girls from prom. Yeah, because sis sent 2 different ones. But whoever you are, you fucking killed it. On to the next, we have another one from It's Janelle, and she's giving us 4 sisters in different gowns. First of all, every single gown is popping on that fucking skin tone. Like I said, royal blue royal fucking blue. They all look beautiful. I absolutely love it. Sister over here is giving us some movement. She's giving us some class. She's giving us some royal queen, and she is giving us some ceremony. I love it. I absolutely love it. This photo is actually goals. The next one, Rachel said, this is mine, so don't roast me too hard. So first of all, sis, I did not make this video to, you know, shame women and make people feel bad about themselves, so I'm not gonna roast you. I like the gown. I think it suits you. I like that there's a little bit of, you know, skin peeking through in the middle. I am not a fan of lace, like I said, to start with. But I do think it is a nice gown. I like the way they made it. On to the next. This is Gabriella Cruz, and she's also giving us a black gown. Sis, I can't really see your pic or your dress in the pic. I wish you would have took some photos on your own, but I see you have your mans there with you. So what I can see from here is that there is a cut going in the middle. I can't tell if it's like a two-piece dress or if this is just one altogether. To Sana Lee S, she said, this is my prom dress. Okay, sister, you are giving me an old school vibe with this dress. You're giving me Grammys 1998. You're giving me a classic dress. We have mesh in the back. I wish there wasn't mesh. I just have a thing against mesh and lace. I don't know why. It's just my honest opinion. I don't like either of those. On to Cheyenne, prom 2018. She's giving us some floor. Okay, giving us some differentiation with the length. Giving us some flow. I like what you did with your hair as well to kind of like, it looks like a crown. It looks like you're wearing a crown. I like it. On to the next, my 2017 prom dress. I blocked out my friends because they didn't want me to post it on Twitter. So she is giving us, first of all, jewels. Some red. I like a low back. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's not a necklace. That's part of the dress. That's actually really, really cute. I like it. On to the next. Sis, first of all, God, I look so fat, but oh well. Where do you look fat? First of all, sis, you don't look fat at all. I don't know where the hell you got that from. I think this is beautiful. I love sequins. I don't see the fat anywhere, so like get that out of your fucking head, like stop. I am noticing that you're not smiling. What's the problem? Why are you not smiling in your prom photos? Maybe she was trying to give us a sexy side eye. I like the sparkle. I love. On to the next. I regret buying my dress. It's so simple, but my prom's tomorrow. First of all, compared to my dress, this is cute. I like it. Your prom is tomorrow. Please make sure you do an updo. Do not leave your hair down. I feel like when people wear these kinds of dresses, they always fuck up by leaving their hair curly down or straight down. For a dress like this, when you have an off the shoulder or you have a sleeveless dress, you need to do some sort of updo so you don't take away from the neckline. Also change your nail color. I like it. I think it's pretty. I like the way it makes the body have a little shape. On to the next. Okay. First of all, like I said with the girl with the red dress, I don't take it back. I could only imagine how annoyed you were with people stepping on your dress the entire night, but holy shit. See, this is what I mean. Okay, you either need to have your hair up or you need to have above the shoulder hair. This is a fucking look. Did she post more photos? Just one. I want more. This is so cute, and you can see there's different colors in the feathers, and it just fits her so well. Yes! This one might be my favorite out of all of them that I've seen so far. Why am I stuttering so bad, sis? You got me. Ooh, I'm flustered. Can't even speak right. I'm speechless. I love it. The bob looks so good, and she used a simple necklace. Amazing. Amazing! On to the next. I don't want to be mean. This dress is ugly. This dress is fucking ugly. I'm sorry. I mean, maybe if like Taylor Swift was going to like prom in her backyard or something, Next. Danielle is giving us Disco Queen. On to the next dress. This is from Adan, and he said, this is my sister's prom dress look. So you are giving me a mixture of Sleeping Beauty, Aurora, and Cinderella at the same time. And the people might be like, where'd you get Aurora from? Just because like the way that Aurora's dress was made, like at the sleeves, that's what it's reminding me of. But then the color is giving me very Cinderella. I feel like there should have been a belt or something a little like sparkly, or maybe like a more sparkly necklace, but overall I think it is a very pretty look. Your hair looks amazing. I like that you used simple earrings. It could have used a little more oomph though. Don't come for Denzel's brand. Bye. So this dress actually looks similar to the black one that we saw up there. It's giving me a similar look in the middle. I think you look amazing. On to Maggie. Maggie is giving us a blue dress. Now this dress is giving me hella 90s vibes. Like literally giving me 90s. Oh, thank goodness she wore her hair up. Oh my gosh, thank you. When you wear a dress that has like a backing like this, you need to keep your dress or keep your hair up just so you can like show off the back and everything. Oh yeah, she's giving us waist. Oh my gosh, her dog. Wait, is she wearing a bra under this? Wait a minute. Oh, okay, I was gonna, wait. Sis, did you did not put, I hope this is just like you trying the dress on and you did not like actually wear a black bra under. Okay, I think she was just trying it on that day because sis got socks on. Roast me, Ness. You want me to roast you? That's not nice. But I will if you ask. So, since sister wants me to roast her, first of all, I'm gonna say, beautiful smile. I think you look nice. The dress needed a little more fitting, I feel like right there. I could tell that there's a little like it needed to be, what's it called? Tailored a little bit, like in this area. But other than that, I think it's a gorgeous gown and you look amazing. LOL, my prom was in 2016, but I'll send it anyway. You're disqualified. On to the next. First of all, I don't even want to like see what the rest of this photo is because she's giving me so much face right now. Okay, Barbie Gets, no one cares that you started a live video. Like just the face is already giving me everything I need. Like it's already giving me enough, but I'm ready to see the rest. I knew it. I knew it. Of course she was gonna body me like that. This, sexy, a look, beautiful. I love it. It's giving me, and that little wisp of the hair that she did. Ah! Dress from the Burbs. She sent two different ones. I want, are these both her? No, neither of these are her, I think. So the first one, it's okay. It's not my type. I don't think it's a bad dress. I just personally don't like the pattern on it. I feel like these girls are gonna like somehow watch my video and be like, fuck you, bitch. No, not fuck me. I had a shitty dress myself. Like everyone in this like entire post, their dresses are better than. Why are you barking at the balcony? My dress was ass compared to every single dress on this list. So like, trust me, I'm not being bitter or anything. So this dress is, let's see. That's my answer. So now we're gonna switch over to Instagram because quite a few of you actually tagged me in some prom dresses. The first one we have here is from Baby II. And I don't know which one is you, but I like both of the gowns. This one is lace. I wish it was a different material, I'm gonna be honest with you. But I like the other one because it is giving me some crystal body and then some flowy tulle at the end. I know you did not go to prom like this. You did not. You did not go to fucking prom like that! Sis. I love everyone and I support everyone, but sis, you don't. This isn't prom. This is club. On to the next. Literally a pose I would do. All black. I like this. I haven't seen a dress like this yet, where it's like a long sleeve sheer with crystals on it. I love it. It looks amazing. I love the dress. Like I genuinely love this dress. I could see myself wearing this. I love this. I love that dress a lot. What is this? Judge this prom dress now. First of all, this isn't a prom dress. This is a quinceañera dress. And anyone who is planning their quinceañera, don't buy this dress. She literally matches the background that she's standing in front of. That's insane. Maybe that was the theme. I could tell that the dress fits her body really, really well. I don't like the crystals at the bottom. I don't like that they look like they're kind of like dripping. Like it doesn't look like they're dripping. It looks like they fell off. But overall, I think she looks beautiful. I see the other photos of her. She looks beautiful, but we're not judging her. We're judging the dress. I have another one. I can't understand what she's typing, but I'm gonna assume this is prom. Oh, wait, what country does this girl live in? Oh my gosh, I don't understand. I don't know, maybe this is how they do prom in other countries, but we have sneakers. We have I don't know, I feel like this dress is giving me AMI club wear vibes. No offense. Here we have, I don't know why, but I feel like she's a dancer. Like for some reason, I feel like this girl, like, and by dancer, I mean like ballet, modern. Ooh, she has style. Okay, sis. I think it's a cute dress. I wish she would have wore her hair up because like I said, when you wear a strapless dress, you need to have your hair up or whenever there's decals in the back. Here we go, another one. Not my style. I can see what you were going for. I can see that you were going for more of a like pin-up classy doll kind of look, and you definitely succeeded with that. It's not my cup of tea, but I'm not gonna say it's ugly because it's not. All I see is your shoe, so giving me Kate Middleton. Yeah, this looks like something that you would. And we're gonna go ahead and stop at this dress. We can't see shit, so. Wait, what? Is there more photos? I need more pictures. I need more photos. No! This dress is giving me very simple. All the girls in this photo are giving me very simple, but this, wow. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh my page one more time and see if there's any dresses that I could have possibly missed. So I completely missed this dress right here. This one, I think it's a little too much with the big sequins. I would have liked if it was like, you know, the smaller kinds of sequins, like this size. Both of you look stunning. This dress is killing me though. This dress is killing me. I haven't seen this before. I have not seen a maroon to gold transition like that on a gown. And then the cut, gorgeous. We also missed this one from Ruby. Oh, que bonita, you look so pretty. I like it. Okay, sis, all right. This is also cute as well. I love dresses that like cut right there and then there's like the flowy stuff, whether it's like feathers or tulle. I love that. Blue one. Okay. So with your dress, I see something going on back here. Maybe the dress is supposed to be fluffy like that, so maybe because your finger's there, it looks weird. We have Proud Bobby and she posted this gown. I think it's stunning. I feel like when you have a nude colored dress like this, it needs to be accessorized the right way and the makeup needs to be a certain way. Like if you haven't gone to prom yet, I really hope that you really go all out. Like you need a cut crease with a huge wing, giant lashes, a glossy lip. Like you need to go all out with the glam for a nude dress. Otherwise, you're just going to fade away like completely. Like it's going to be very bland. I'm gonna keep scrolling. I can't get over this. Like her face is everything right now. And I think we're done, yeah. So that is me judging prom 2018, I guess. I hope nobody thinks that I was trying to be mean. I was just giving my own opinions, I guess. I don't know. What would I wear if I went to prom in 2018? Honestly, I feel like I would probably do a very, very like tight, like straight down dress, but it would have a lot of like detail. I don't know. Or I would do, honestly, I'd probably do one of those dresses that has like, you know, it's tight, then it flares out, but then I would leave my hair like short naturally and then do finger waves. Oh my gosh, with big earrings. Oh, diamonds! I can see it now. Ah! Ask me to prom! Someone asked me to prom! My old ass. I need to stay the fuck home. Why is it so bright? I hope this video the entire time was not this freaking bright. Ugh. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I didn't come across as messy or malicious. I was giving my honest opinion, and at the end of the day, you tagged yourselves. If you want me to make more videos like this, feel free to let me know. That's it for this video, and I will see you guys all in my next one. If you haven't gone to prom already, you're being watched. Do better. Work, work.